In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently share files within your Microsoft Teams community. This guide will help you navigate through Teams effortlessly and ensure that all your important documents and media are seamlessly accessible to your colleagues or group members. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already installed the application, you can find it on Microsoft's official website and follow the straightforward installation instructions. Once you have Teams open, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to enhance collaboration and communication within your organization. Now let's move to the first step after you're in Teams. Look for the Communities option on the sidebar, which will be prominently displayed. Clicking on Communities will open up a list of all the groups you're a part of. It's crucial to select the right community group where you intend to share your files. This way, you can ensure that you're reaching the appropriate audience with your content. Once you're inside your chosen community, you'll notice several tabs. The one we are interested in today is labeled Files. This tab is where the magic happens. Clicking on Files will present you with options to upload documents and other media. This is a dedicated space created to store, share, and organize all the files relevant to your community diligently. To upload your files, look for an Upload button or drop area. It's usually signified by an icon that resembles an arrow pointing upwards, or simply labeled as Upload. From here, you can either drag and drop files directly from your desktop or browse your computer to select the files you would like to share. After choosing the files, you'll notice the uploading process beginning immediately. The beauty of using Microsoft Teams for this task is its ability to handle different file formats and sizes efficiently. As your files populate into the shared space, they become instantly accessible to your entire community. This accessibility ensures that team members can view or download these documents whenever necessary, making collaboration smoother and more effective. And just like that, you've successfully shared files with your Microsoft Teams community. It's as simple as navigating through your community, accessing the Files tab, and uploading your documents. Remember, this feature is particularly useful for routine document sharing, whether it's weekly reports, session notes, or any other important files critical to your team's success. With this newfound capability, you can keep your team well informed and synchronized, eliminating the need for cumbersome email chains and enhancing productivity. So next time you need to share resources with your community, remember these easy steps to make the most out of Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.